Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're taking a look at what many consider to be the best Logitech keyboard for Mac users. The Logitech MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. Now, if you're in the market for a keyboard that's optimized for your Mac setup, look no further. The MX Keys is designed specifically with Mac users in mind, boasting a sleek space gray finish that perfectly complements your Apple devices. What sets this keyboard apart? Well, let's start with the keys themselves. The MX Keys features what Logitech calls perfect stroke keys. They're ergonomically designed to fit the shape of your fingertips, ensuring a comfortable typing experience every time. Plus, with its Mac key layout, you'll feel right at home with familiar shortcuts and commands. But it's not just about comfort. The MX Keys is also packed with smart features. One of my favorites is the Smart Illumination, which lights up the keys as soon as your hands approach, adjusting to the ambient lighting conditions in your workspace. It's the little details like these that really elevate the user experience. And here's where it gets really cool. The MX Keys isn't just for your Mac. Thanks to Logitech's Flow technology, you can seamlessly switch between multiple devices with just a flick of the mouse. That means you can type on your Mac, then switch over to your iPad or even your Windows PC without missing a beat. But wait, there's more. When you pick up the MX Keys, you're not just getting a keyboard. You're also getting a free subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud, unlocking a world of creativity and productivity. So there you have it, folks. The Logitech MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard for Mac. With its comfort, precision, and seamless integration with your Mac ecosystem, it's truly the best Logitech keyboard for Mac users out there. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy typing!